It's done. Look at that. Alright, it's done. Let me try it out. Okay, so here it is. So I added some peas and carrots here on my Alfredo. So like I say, add a little bit extra pepper on top. This is the Bertolli Alfredo sauce. I've never tried it before. Have my chicken bites in here, so I'm gonna test it out. Got my spinach right there, and this is my new fork here that I purchased last week at the store. So let me try it out, see what it tastes like. I forgot to mention I did add some barbecue rub to my chicken that I cooked, and that was my first time eating it. So the food was delicious though.